Hello guys, my name is Ranjit and welcome to my channel RV Blogs, and this is my first video, and I'm going to show you how to apply CAPES Note by yourself. And in this video, you can learn easy steps so that you can apply CAPES Note by yourself. Because, like, if your Canada study permit has been refused, it doesn't matter how many times, it is better not to apply for the next time, and you need to first make sure that you know the exact reason of refusal. Otherwise, you will be wasting a lot of money on the application part. To know the reason of Canada study permit refusal, you can request for a CAPES note to CIC. And basically, CAPES notes are a written record of your visa application, with CIC consisting of the reasons of visa refusal, missing documents in your application, along with the visa officer's remarks. So this is actually main thing, friends. Ordering a CAPES note will help you. It's will help you meticulously, and it will give you a exact reason why the visa officer refused your application. So here in front of us, there is my refusal letter. Then I got it from my CPC was CPC Edmonton, and they are not satisfied that I leave Canada at the end of my stay. So now we will go with the Google, and we can write it down right here, CAPES GCMS notes. All right. So this Google will show us the first option. You can see the first website. You can see CAPES GCMS reports. So capesgcms.com. This is the only website I also ordered from. So I'll show you my CAPES result in the next video. But in the first video, discuss about how to order it. So if you're gonna click in this website, you will find this kind of website, and here you go, this is actually a law firm, and you can order a CAPES note from this website. So like when we click right here, and you can just see order CAPES oblique GCMS. So there are a few more websites when you will put order CAPES notes on the Google, but I ordered from this website and I found really helpful, and I received my CAPES file maybe in, yeah, 26 to 27 days. So we will start with the application form. The first, you will need to know that what order type you need, like for your study permit refusal. So I choose this CAPES basic. This CAPES basic is basically, you need just to know what exact reason what. This is a standard service, and it will take, already mentioned over here, it will take, the service take it 4 to 5 weeks. Yeah, exactly in the same time you will get your result. And there is no interpretation, because you don't need any interpretation. You just need a simple language why they refused it. So here we go. My name Ranjit and Singh, visa processing office. That was, we just saw, it's CPC Edmonton. All right. So what type of record you want? So we applied for the student permit. So this is the temporary residence. Your application number, as must you know about this. So I just for the demo, I'll just write it down right here. And your date of birth, whatever it is, doesn't matter. And then, like, anything you can just write here. And after that, your email address and your phone number. All right, so by clicking here, you will go with the next. Your phone number might be something. All right, so by clicking right here, you can see now, you can see this is a kind of consent form. So first you need to download this consent form. So the consent form looks like this. Yep. So consent form looks like this. It's consent form from Government of Canada, and you can find this kind of consent form, and take a printout of this form, and leave this first column, the designated representative, because this column need to fill it by the website itself. You just need to fill this application column number 2, applications information. So your family name, your surname, your last name, your given name, your first name, date of birth, signature in blue ink, and the date that you are applying for the CAPES note. For example, today if you're applying, so today you have to date mention this date. All right. So we will go in the back, and then I'm sorry, you need to upload right here the signed document. There is a choose file, you can see, and after that you need to submit. If you want to submit your passport, it's don't need it. I didn't upload anything in this section. And after that, the third is payment. So it's $15. It's around 1100 or something. So you will get your capes note by yourself. You don't need to bother too much. And I will suggest you, whenever you're applying, whenever your Canada study permit has been refused and you're confused because you already submit everything, your IELTS marks was enough, just go with the capes note, and it's really, really helpful. So thank you so much for watching my videos, friend. See you next.